This is a quick video about adding links to the sidebar for your website. So this website is set up a little differently because of the sidebar, and it does have some custom coding to be able to control where the sidebar appears and the type of elements that are in the sidebar. So what you'll see is under your not linked section here in your main left menu, you actually have a page titled sidebar, and that's exactly what it is. It's actually a full web page that we've just coded the site to ensure that it appears on the margin of the main pages and that it does not appear on specific blog post pages. So when you're ready to add or revise links here, take links off, you're going to edit this page like you would any other page on your website. So you're going to navigate here to the sidebar page. You're going to hover your mouse over the page here in the right-hand window. And when you get your black box here, you're just going to click edit. So in this case, we want to add a link that says facility under the About Us section. So what I'm going to do is click right here at the end of About Us, which is actually formatted as a header here. I'm going to hold down Shift and press Enter. That's going to get our spacing correct. And then I'm going to copy the arrow. So I'm going to copy this whole thing because it's linked as one link. So I'm just going to highlight Hours and do a Command C or a Control C on a PC, and then a paste. And as you can see here, that way we get our error. Then I'm just going to backspace and take the hours text off. I'm going to type facility. And I'm going to highlight that and link that to the facility page. So I'm going to highlight that, click my link video, and I'm going to come down here and find the facility page. And now you can see that it's turned green, and I'm going to hit save. Now, we probably don't want it to be the first one on the list. So again, just as a matter of example, I'm going to highlight the entire word here. I'm going to cut that, and let's put it here after the directions link. So we'll paste that here, and then I'm just going to hit the delete key to move that back up. So now we've got the facility linked there, and you can see if I click here on facility, that goes to our facility page. And that is how you make changes to the sidebar in your page.